Hello, specimens. Here's the dealio. My iPad cable stopped working. So I'm not going to be able to upload as much. If anything, it'll just be little blurbs like this. So I suggest just following me on Instagram, and you'll be able to see certain meals that I make on there if I think about taking a picture of them. And yeah, so my Instagram is at Vintage Jessie Bell. Vintage Jessie, Jessie, just like in my YouTube URL. And Bell is the first three letters of my last name that you obviously can see from. Yeah, so Vintage Jessie Bell is my Instagram, and just follow me on that, and you'll be able to keep up with me. I'll probably just stick to that at some point once I get tired of editing and everything. So yeah, there's that. That's why I haven't uploaded much this week, because of stupid charging cable. Until I get a new cable, that's yeah, I'm just gonna have to deal with doing this with my phone. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and walk my dog because I need the exercise, he needs the exercise, and I need to get all hungry so I can make my dinner. So deal with that. Yeah, so I shall see you on Instagram, and sometime when I finally get my new charging cable. So bye.